Welcome world to the creation of the Oasis at Modern Design Aquascaping. This is going to be the best video series that I have ever got to put together with my team, because we are going to convert my vinyl-sided rectangular house into an entire water feature outdoor living experience that we call the Oasis. We're creating a swim pond called the Watering Hole. There's this massive waterfall, places for my grandkids. We are going to just descend on this place, demolish everything that I've built in the last 20 years, and we're going to create something absolutely magical to share with you guys. Stay tuned while we all build the most amazing water feature that we've ever put together in the history of us building water features. Thanks for joining us. I'm so excited. This is the coolest video that I've ever got to shoot because it's at our place. We're building the world's most amazing, tiny little, high quality water feature in an itty bitty space, and I'm fired up about it. Let me tell you everything that we're gonna do here. I have a duck over here that's distracting me because she's sitting on a pile of eggs, and I just wanna go over there and irritate her. I can't help myself, she's so cute. Anyhow, squirrel, oh, duck. Guys, look at this right here. You see the level of this patio? There's going to be duck in the background. I'm just warning you ahead of time. She's moody. The level of this patio is going to be my water level. It's going to come right up here to the edge. I'm going to do all of the coolest things I have ever learned building water features right here in this little space. I keep saying I'm going to go Miyagi with rocks and wood in here. That's what's going to happen. Our water level comes right up to here. I've been shooting all my videos here. This vinyl siding drives me crazy. My friends over at Cast Stone are going to come over here, and they're going to do limestone across this face of the house just to top off our amazing water feature project. We're going to have some killer basalt details over here. I'm not going to spoil that for you, but you're going to watch it. We're going to do a massive boulder that we're going to drill with fire and water that's going to sit right patio side over there. This whole thing is going to be retained by a massive boulder retaining wall. Guys, this wall is going to come off the corner of my house right over here, like this high, all the way around, and it's going to wrap just like this around the edge behind the cedar tree. By the way, cedar tree, sorry guys, trees got to go. We're going to have to plant new ones. I'm on my property line right here, just like this. I have this very little space. We're going to end this retaining wall with a concrete block wall that's going to go straight down the property line so that I can use every inch of space that we have. I'm going to cruise right back around here now. Think retaining wall this high. Boulders, water level here, 2-foot drop here, 2-foot drop here, little trickles of water, no filtration, just big open water, lots of jets, amazing fish, and then it's going over the negative edge. Down here, in this massive boulder retaining wall, right in this spot, is going to be a killer waterfall where the whole thing negative edges down into a super wide stream. I'm going to use all of my space down through here to make a massive wide stream so that we can have aquatic plants everywhere for all of our pond installations. Super cool. It's going to be awesome filtration for us. And right down the middle of this stream, I'm going to hide our wetland filter right in the bottom of the stream. No one's even going to know it's here. Down we go. Waterfalls, 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 all kinds of aquatic plants. I don't know how I'm going to hide all this crap, but I'm going to hide all this crap all the way down to the bottom of the hill. Right here, massive rainwater capturement system, at least 3,000 gallons. I haven't calculated my water in motion yet. This is so far down the highway in my project, I just haven't got there. But we're going to do submersible pumps so we can swim in the pond. It's going to be at least 4, if not 5 feet deep up there. I have to get a guy to come in and actually tell me how deep water can I put against my foundation without creating a pool in my basement. Geez, what else do I have to share? I guess that's it. There's not going to be a lot of room left for landscaping. I don't know how many of my trees are going to get to stay. All of that's up in the air. But the guys are coming to get the stonework done. I have to tear the siding off this house. I'm fired up, guys. I can't talk no more. I'm out. It's been a whole year since I started shooting any film out here at all. And of course, the project has evolved. We spent a ton of time and money from the beginning of here, getting this massive retaining wall built and getting the stone put on the house and the awesome basalt tables and the little details. Everything we do is about the details. check out this area right here where all the elephant ears are at. This is right outside my living room window, and we're going to put in one awesome pond right next to this rainwater harvest patio. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the basalt stone that's going in on the house. I wanted to do something a little different. You know, the stone is cool and all, but how do I make it unique? I love basalt. We're putting some fountains into this feature later that are made of the basalt stone. Basalt is actually super dense, heavy. It's where lava came out in thick flows and cooled at a super slow speed, and it makes like a honeycomb formation. It breaks off in these natural pieces. And I called Coverall Stone out in Seattle, Washington and said, guys, I gotta have something unique. I need some big slab cut in half, this thick, smooth on top, torch fired, and I need a couple of awesome columns so that I can create this coffee table effect. I want it built right into the side of my house and to be part of the stonework. I actually had to build a footer along the back of the splash pad to support the weight because these tables weigh 1,000 pounds a piece. And then I had to get them to make these beautiful backdrops for my Harry Potter lights because I knew I had to have some super sexy lights. I gotta have some nice gutters. It's gotta feel Japanesey out here. I want a really artistic photo opportunity and living experience out here. And all of these little things that make these huge differences, that make this unique, that make it special to me. It's a one-of-a-kind thing, and I have to make something that nobody else has got. This guy, I want to see it right here.
I didn't even get a whoop whoop or anything. I didn't know radio silent.
Today is the day, guys. The rock team is here. I am so stoked. I'm just going to time-lapse this. It's not a big part of my waterfall project for you probably, but it's a huge part of the waterfall project for me because the ambiance at the front of my house is so important to me, and this is the key. Exciting day in the progress of our never-ending water feature project. We've dug this hole out and it's been 2 months since we've had time to get in here and work on everything. We've cleaned it out 2 more times. Today we're going to get in here, put all the rebar in, get this thing ready to pour concrete, and we can get this wall in. Finally, we might get to start working on the pond. So often in my video you're going to see sweat on his face. Like to say that I am not a concrete guy, and I'm super glad that is done because that ain't what I do. Come on, get out of here. Get. That's right. Ain't got time for that business.